basically making anklets using Grenada colors, and earlier on we studied the colors, the meanings, and how they should pair in terms of numerology and numbers and things. So we came up with a pattern. So far so good. What y'all think about the pattern? I'm enjoying it. And this is the first time I design like this. W's. Look at this. This is a lovely pattern. Look at this. The message reaches the community, you know. Please. Yo, W's in the chat. You see that? You see that piece? You see that piece, yo? You gotta do more like this. We gotta do a whole collection. Like, this is a pattern we could actually create a collection out of. Like, seriously, like, who wanna forget this pattern? Yo, all you learn a pattern, but all you learn from me, alright? Don't teach me pattern. Crafting now becomes like a much more interesting thing for me now. Craft is now becoming part of a science for me now. There's like a whole pattern here for yourself with that green, red and yellow, that black in it. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. That yellow always had to come with 5 together. Impressive. Who knew that? Who knew the language of colors and beads? I can actually communicate this. Yellow supposed to come in 5, man. Where's the 5, man? Y'all trying to disrespect Dorishas? Where's the 5? Wow. Look at this. We done? Yo, we did the next one. We did another one, man. Yeah, man. We did it, man. I was quick. We did this one quicker. Even though we made so much mistakes in this one, I find it just finished quicker. Because we mastered. Did we master it already? We did. We mastered this, man. There's nothing to it, man. Yeah, I'm proud of me.
I'm proud of me. 2 anklets are the same kind, boy. Let's go! This is too much fun. Just make a whole collection, neighbor. Wow. I don't want nothing to do with me right now. I tell you, once I get started, it's hard for me to finish it. Once I get started, it's hard, it's difficult for me to finish. So, let the emotion take control right now. Emotion, take control right now. That is it. That is it. You have taken full control. You are in full control. Full governance. That is it. You know what I'm saying? When in Ogun, take control. Ogun, take full control. Are your time now, Ogun? Take full control, Ogun. Are your time, Ogun? Take full control. Take full control of my strength. You know what I'm saying? Take full control, Ogun. You're in control, Ogun. Okay? No. Take control. Oshun. Take control, Oshun. Before Oshun take control, let's allow Elegba to take control. Elegba, take control. Wow. Crossroads. Meeting at the crossroads. No. I'll say yellow eyes again. Oshun, take control. Oshun, you're in full control. Elegba, you're in full control. Ogun, take control. Gun, take control. That means bringing the courage, the strength, the justice. Executioner, take control. Take control. Take control. Full control. My whole mind is yours. Take control. Ogun, you are in full control. Ogun, you are in full control. Emoja, take control. That means feminine mother of water is in control. Emoja, you are in full 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 control. Ogun, take control. Ogun, take control. You are in full control, Ogun. You are in full control, Ogun. You are in full control, Ogun. Full control, Ogun. 110% control. Ogun is in control. Come on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G. Okay. Not a problem. Is it no problem? We made a problem. Never make it a problem yet. It's still 7. Ogun, you are in full control. Oshun, take control. Before Oshun takes control, allow Elegba to take control. Elegba, you are in full control. Now Oshun, take control. Oshun, you are in full control. Elegba, take control. Elegba, take full control. Elegba is in control. Ogun, take control. Ugun, you're in full control. Ugun is in control of the Orishas right now. Ugun is in control of my mind right now. Ugun is in full control right now. Ugun is in full control. Now I need the emoji to take control. Emoji, you are in full control. Emoji, you are in full control. The emoji is in full control. The emoji is in full control of my mind and soul and body. I don't need anything. I mean, I don't want anything. I need everything. I need everything. We are safe. Another one. Tree.
Tree to complete. 3 anklets to be completed today. I'm impressed. Look at this collection. It's so colorful and bright and attractive. It's communicating a language, you know? It's communicating a language. Huh? Reconnecting.